welcome back to my channel. And today for my diamond painting friends, we have a diamond painting unboxing. I just have one diamond painting to unbox. It is a premium canvas, hence why it's only one painting. It is a Dreamer Designs painting. Dreamer Designs sends me coupons. Sometimes I don't think they're good enough. A big enough coupon, so I really haven't bought anything. I have had my eye on this one particular painting. It wasn't as expensive as some of the other ones are, but with their insane shipping, it just makes it more expensive than it really has to be. So I've just never bought it, and I just kept it on a wish list. And one day, Dreamer Designs sent me a coupon. They saw me looking at the painting again, so they sent me a coupon for 30% off this time, which is more what I'm talking about. 30% off coupon makes it worth it. So I got my painting. And in this particular painting, you could have chosen a round or a square drill, and I decided to make my life easier and go for a round drill. In case you haven't seen how they come in these little canvas bags. They wrap them up really nice. Of course, mine don't stay in the bag. I unravel mine and put it under a mattress somewhere. And it comes with this nice little ribbon. Probably gonna have to stand to do this. Excuse me, I think I'm getting sick all over again. And yes, I was just starting to get better from a cold that I caught from somebody at work. And now my grandma's sick and my fiance is sick. And now I feel like I'm getting sick all over again. Wonderful, right? Okay, so in there you get a little velvet bag in their kit. You get 2 plates of round purple wax. I have not tried their purple wax yet. You get a bag of baggies, 2 squishies, straightening piece, 3 placer, and this is probably a 5 or a 6, give or take. And you get this little doohickey right here, which you can stick in the middle of your tray, and you can use 2 colors at once. You get a regular stylus pen, and then you get this cool pen. I don't think a lot of people know what this is when they get it, but this is for placing ABs. This specific tip. This is for placing ABs, making it a little bit easier. And then you get a pair of pointed tweezers. These are very, very sharp, so be careful on them and keep your cover on them. Actually, I'm going to keep the tweezers out from my new kit that I'm working on. Now, I don't know if you guys have ordered from Dreamer Designs lately. I thought they were an American company. When they sent me the confirmation that they had finally shipped my canvas, it was from a Chinese website and everything was written in Chinese. So if anybody knows anything about that, I thought they were like Diamond Art Club. I thought everything was shipped within, the US of A. So from top to bottom, this canvas is called Coffee Donuts. This is a 40 by 60. And obviously it's what it's called. It's coffee and donuts. Nice, some flowers and stuff in here. 37 colors. Looks like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs and another special drill in here. one that starts with an LZ. I don't know what that is. I have not done any Dreamer design kits yet, but that's the original artwork. This is by Jess Stemple, GratefulLicensing.com. Oh, guys, our special drill is a red crystal. That's pretty cool. Here are our colors. Really vibrant colors. Oh, everything's bagged up in baggies. Very nice. In your kit, you also get this pamphlet. How to with a coupon for your next purchase if you decide to purchase through them again. But let's look at the canvas one more time. This is really pretty. I love donuts, you guys. I can't have donuts at the moment because of my new diet in life with my new stomach, but I miss them dearly. I do miss eating donuts quite a bit. It's the one thing I miss. This looks delicious. This looks great. This looks so much fun. There's a lot of color blocking. From what I can see, it's tons of color blocking. Little areas where there's sprinkle is confetti. Or up here, they would be like line blocking. Looks like it's going to be a quick finish, an easy canvas. I'm really excited about this. This canvas, if you got the round drills, it was $44.99. If you got square drills, it was $49.99. I think, yeah, I think it was $49.99. So I went for round for the simple fact that I like round drills better, and they're easier to complete and they're quicker. They're just, you know, it's easy to complete round drills when they're not square. And they don't have the drill bag labeled, so I know this is like, people probably can't stand seeing me doing this because they use logbooks, but I don't use logbooks. So just so I know where these diamonds belong to. And that doesn't make any sense that I did that now, because now I'm going to have to label the sticker sheet. Oh, well, I'll figure it out. I'll keep it where I know everything's going to be. But I know this was a short video today, but I haven't been overly ordering too many diamond paintings. I'm honestly trying to get through what I have already. There's just a couple once in a blue moon that I really, really want. So I get it, but I don't know when I'm going to order another diamond painting next. I think I ordered something off of Temu. It was part of my Chocolate Lady collection that I got off of AliExpress. They didn't have one that they were advertising for on the seller's website. And Kat found the missing one for me on Temu. So I'm going to try it from Temu. Hopefully her face is rendered. Her skin is rendered okay. I haven't really done a portrait from Temu to speak of. So hopefully it turns out good when it gets here. Anyways, if you are new here and you're enjoying the content, it would be greatly appreciated if you would stick around and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.